Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, September the 13th. Turnaround Monday, big bounce back after the sell-off on Friday. Let's remember, last week was the first time we saw the markets move more than 1% on the downside in more than 50 sessions. So things did bounce back yesterday, about 1.5% to 2% higher in our stock indexes. The NASDAQ led the way up 96 points, up 2%. The S&P was up 36, bounced up to that 2160, which was the bottom of the sideways channel. The S&P had been trading between 2190 and 2160 for many weeks, so it snapped below and came back up to it. So that's a key level to keep an eye on. The Dow futures added a 1.5% yesterday as well to snap back and get back above 18,300. Looking at the other markets, the crude oil market was lower. 44.75 was the session low, then turned around, ended up closing positive at above $46, up 40 cents. Gold was down $9, and the dollar index hovered around the 95 level on that big snapback as the likelihood of raising rates was lowered from 25% on Friday down below 15%. So after that snapback action, where do the markets stand here on this Tuesday morning? Well, they're giving up some of those gains. Look at the S&P right now, it's down 16. The Dow futures, as it stands, right now are down 140. And the NASDAQ down right now, the NASDAQ 100 down 30 points, so about a 0.75% loss right now as we approach the cash stock market open. Looking at some of these other markets, gold is steady, up $1. The dollar index is bouncing a bit, firming, up 20 points, back above 95, 95.30, so solidly above that pivot that we want to keep an eye on. And crude oil is down $1 at that 45 level, which is a very important point, the halfway level between 50 and 40. And if you look at it, we've seen a series of higher lows and lower highs, looking like some sort of breakout has to happen in the crude market. So to sum up what's happening right now, giving back the bounce back gains from yesterday, stock index futures down about 0.75%. Right now I've got the S&P down 16, the NASDAQ down 27, and the Dow futures down 140. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.